Hello students, welcome to math class. Today we are going to start new topic, that is temperature. Objectives are introduction of temperature. Second is convert Fahrenheit scale to Celsius scale. Third is convert Celsius scale to Fahrenheit scale. Temperature. So far we read how to measure the length, weight, capacity, etc. Here we shall read how to measure the temperature. Sometimes we feel hot, sometimes we feel cold. It happens due to the changing of a temperature. So we can say that temperature is the measure of the hotness or coldness of an object. Instruments that is used in temperature. The instrument which measures the temperature of the body is known as thermometer. Now we have two units of measure to temperature, Celsius and Fahrenheit. Celsius degree C, Fahrenheit degree F. Now in Celsius scale is known as centigrade scale and is marked 0 degrees C to 100 degrees C. 0 degrees C indicate the freezing point of water and 100 degree is indicate boiling point of the water, and in the Fahrenheit it's indicate 32 degree F to 212 degree F. In 32 degree F is indicate the freezing point of water and 212 degree F is indicate boiling point of water. Let's do the comparison of two scales. Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale. Water freezing at. In the Celsius scale it is 0 degree, in the Fahrenheit scale it's a 32 degree. Water boiling at. In the Celsius scale it is 100 degree, in a Fahrenheit scale it's a 212 degree. Normal body temperature. In the normal body temperature in Celsius scale is 37 degree and in Fahrenheit scale it's 98.6 degree. Now we have two formulas to convert Fahrenheit scale to Celsius scale and Celsius scale to Fahrenheit scale. Now first formula is Fahrenheit scale, that is equal to 9 upon 5 multiply Celsius plus 32, and Celsius scale formula is bracket start F minus 32 bracket close multiply 5 upon 9. Now convert Fahrenheit to Celsius scale. Now we have one example, 68 degree Fahrenheit convert into Celsius scale. So when we convert into the Celsius scale, we apply the formula of Celsius scale, that is bracket start F minus 32 bracket close multiply 5 upon 9. Now F means Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit is given 68 degree. Put 68 degree minus 32 bracket close multiply 5 upon 9. 68 minus 32, that is 36 multiply 5 upon 9. Now 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. Now we have only 4 and 5. Now 4 multiply by 5. 4 5s are 20. So The answer is 20 degrees C. Now take one more example. 77 degree F convert into Celsius scale. So we apply the Celsius formula. First step is apply Celsius formula. Celsius is equal to bracket start F minus 32 bracket close multiply 5 upon 9. Now what is F? F is 77. So put 77 in the place of F. So solve the bracket. 77 minus 32, that is 45. So put 45. 45 multiply as it is, 5 upon 9 as it is. Now multiply is there. So we are using a cutting. 9 ones are 9, 9 fives are 45. Now what is left? That is 5 and 5. So put 5 is here. 5 multiplied by 5. 5 fives are 25. So 25 degrees C is your answer. Next is convert Celsius scale to Fahrenheit scale. So we have an example, that is 55 degree C convert into Fahrenheit. So we have applied the formula of Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit is equal to 9 upon 5 multiplied by C plus 32. So what is C? C is 55 degree. So put 55 degree. So 9 upon 5 as it is, multiply sign as it is, C is converted to 55 plus 32. Now multiply is there. So first you solve the multiply. So 5 ones are 5, 5 11s are 55. Here is 11 and 9. So first we solve the multiply. That is 9 multiply 11 plus 32. So 9 11s are 99 plus 32. 99 plus 32, that is 131 degree Fahrenheit. Now let's take one more example. 95 degrees C convert into Fahrenheit. So we apply the formula of Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit is equal to 9 upon 5 multiply C plus 32. So first we solve the multiply. 9 upon 5 as it is, multiply sign as it is. In the place of C, what we write? That is 95. So put 95. So first we solve the multiply. So 5 ones are 5. 5 19s are 95. So what we left? 9 and 19. To put 9 and 19 plus 32. So 9 multiplied by 19, that is 171. 9 19s are 171 or 19 9s are 171 plus 32. We add both the statements. Add. So we got a 203 Fahrenheit. Students, today we have learned the concept of Fahrenheit scale and Celsius scale. I hope that now you will be able to do the sum that we have sent in the snap homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.